سلام بر همه دوستان. امروز میخوام بهتون نحوه نصب و راه اندازی سرور تامکت رو آموزش بدم. برای آموزش نصب و راه اندازی اول میخوام به زبان انگلیسی صحبت کنم. بعد ما از سرورهای آمازون روی کلاد آمازون استفاده میکنیم. یه سرور اوبونتو روی در حقیقت اینستنس EC2 آمازون من آوردم بالا و نصب کردم و در حال حاضر یک در حقیقت IP پابلیک دارم از اون سرور و میخوام بهتون نشون بدم که به چه شکل این سرور رو من کانفیگ میکنم و تامکت رو روش بالا میارم. اوکی، خب پس من به زبان انگلیسی صحبت میکنم این ویدیو رو، چون میخوام ببینم بچه ها فیدبکشون چجوریه و اگر ببینم که این فیدبک خوب هستش دیگه کلن ویدیوها رو به زبان انگلیسی ضبط میکنم براتون. Okay guys, so for a start I will bring my terminal in here. This is my terminal and I have defined an alias to have an SSH to my server because I don't want to show the IP address of the server. I have already created an alias that alias just SSH to the Amazon web server. So I just type the name of the alias and I provide my password. Okay, now we are inside our server. This is just imagine that this is a fresh server and there is nothing inside it and you just want to configure it. For a start you have to go to the Tomcat website. So just come to the Tomcat website. I just show it to you here, and then you can get this link, and then you can come here and say wget and this link. So what will happen is it goes to the website of Tomcat and it will download it. So right now you can see it's here, but I have already downloaded this, so I just remove this one. So I cd to the folder my apps. Within this folder I have already the Apache Tomcat.tar.gz. So for extracting this one you can use this command, Apache Tomcat.tar.gz. As you can see, you can use this to extract, and once you extract this file, the folder will be Apache Tomcat -9.0.8. So you will see this folder afterwards. Alright, you have to do the same thing for the JDK. So you have to go to the JDK website and then download the JDK.tar.gz, something like this. Download that one I have it here, and then use again this command, this time with the JDK, to extract your JDK folder. So after the extraction, you have a folder called Apache Tomcat and then the JDK. And now is the time for you to configure your JDK. For doing that, you have to go to a folder, to a file called bash rc. By the way, this Vim is not installed when you fresh install your Ubuntu, so you can install it using this command. This. Alright, so let's go and then go to the export part. Here is the export part. I just give the Java home folder, the Maven folder, and then the path. You just stop the video in here and then copy paste this commands, just like this commands, but the folder you're gonna choose must be the folder that you have already extracted those folders. By the way, I already download and extract the Maven because I have something inside this web server. So now I'm gonna go out and let's test the Java and Maven. Yeah, seems everything okay. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Apache Tomcat folder. Apache. Why this is not working? Oh, maybe there is a problem with my internet. Yeah, wait for a while, guys. I think there is an issue with my internet. Oh, we already get out. Alright, I try it again. So going to this server. So let's go to the server. Now we're in the server. Let's go to the my apps folder. Then let's go to Apache Tomcat. Within this folder we have a folder called web apps. As you can see, is in here. So we have to go to this folder. As you can see, there is a file called root.war. This is the file that you have to use to deploy your application. So for example, if your war file name is for example xyz.war, you have to rename it to root.war and place it into war to the web apps. Sorry. So just imagine that you have that file within your home directory. You have to issue this command. So it will move this xyz.war file to the web apps folder and then rename it to root.var. So everything will be okay. This root.var later on will be fetched up by the Tomcat and it can be used to deploy your application. So after moving that into this folder, we are all set. So we can go to the bin directory and then start the server. Let's start. Once I press this, the server will get start. and I think I already start the server, so I don't need to do that. Yeah, it's already here. So I'll just bring the application I have into here. Here is the application. I will not bring the whole page because I don't want to show the IP address of this server to you. So everything is okay. I just we just end up this video. Hope you guys enjoy. همگی خوش باشید. خدا نگهدارتون.